Hi guys, so ito ang sasagutan natin today, no? Meron tayo ditong problem na continuous exponent ng x. So we have x raised to the x, raised to the x, raised to the x, and so on, which is equal to 2. So hindi na natin patatagalin pa, let us dive into the solution. Alright guys, so simulan na natin sagutan itong problem natin for today. So itong nakikita natin na repeated exponent ay tinatawag nating tetration in mathematics. So let's solve this problem now. So ipapakita natin sa inyo kung paano sagutan yung similar problems na may encounter ninyo in algebra having repeated exponents, no? So first of all, mapapansin ninyo, no, na repeated naman itong x natin. So, yung base natin na x, merong exponent na x, then exponent of x, then exponent of x, and then exponent of x. So, therefore, actually, kahit saan mo putulin itong mga exponents natin dito, our answer will remain 2. Halimbawa, ihiwalay ko itong base of x natin dito. No? Ito lang ang kukunin ko. Okay? So, kung ihiwalay ko yan, magiging x, 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 x. Continuous, so this will still be equal to 2, no? So kahit saan natin putulin tong exponents natin, it will always be equal to 2. So yan ang ibig sabihin ng problem natin right here. So let's say puputulin ko siya from this point. Okay, then we will have a continuous exponent of x. So we'll have here, for example, I will rewrite this as x. Ito yung base natin, no? And then, yung mga exponents natin, I will write it in green. So, we'll have here x, 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 x. Okay? So, we know that these are equal to 2. Okay? So, kung ihiwalay ko lahat ng kulay green natin dyan, so, halimbawa, we have here x, 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 x. So, anong value nito? Ito yan. So, anong value nito? So, this will still be equal to 2, right? Because this is a continuous exponent. So, since this is equal to 2, I will use that here sa ating equation dito. So, I will have here x squared is equal to 2. Correct? Kasi, etong continuous exponent natin dito ng x to the x, which is nilagyan natin ng color coding na green, is also equal to 2, right? So, therefore, we will have here x squared is equal to 2. So, to get the value of x, we need to isolate the x on the left side. So we will take the square root of both sides. Okay, so we will have here square root of x squared is equal to the square root of 2. Therefore, we'll have here x is equal to square root of 2, which is our final answer. Hi guys, the video that you saw is part of our lecture course sa engineers.org. So, we are inviting you to register sa aming website, www.engineers.org, and you can enroll to our free courses na makikita ninyo sa aming website. We also have a collection of ebooks in our library na magagamit ninyo sa inyong pag-aaral. We are also asking for your help and support sa aming YouTube channel. Please like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga posts namin.